What if I told you there's a guy from one of the roughest towns in the UK who started with nothing, no VC money, no connections, just conviction. And he didn't just survive the crypto trenches. He made over 87 million on a single trade on a decentralized exchange most of the world has never even heard of. And now he's back chasing a billion-dollar position. This is the story of James Wynn, the man they call the hyperliquid whale. Hi, my name is Lamia, and today we're diving into one of the craziest stories in crypto. It's not about a project, it's about a person, a high-stakes trader, a meme coin mastermind, a guy who risked it all and cashed out big.
It's a high-risk procedure.
So, if you ever felt like the game is rigged against the little guy, this story is going to hit different. James Wynn didn't grow up with wealth. He says himself, the place he came from, most people didn't get out. Drugs, jail, poverty, that was the norm. But James, he had different plans. He was hustling from school, selling things online, opening businesses, failing, trying again and again. He believed one thing, he was meant to be rich. And crypto became the way. In 2023, everything changed. James spotted a meme coin early. You know the one, Pepe. While most people laughed it off, he was watching volume, community, code. He bought in at 600k market cap and it ran to over 1.5 billion. That trade alone made him 20 to 30 million. And it wasn't like he'd done it before with Baby Doge and more. He understood culture, timing, and he played the meme coin game like a veteran sniper. Then came hyperliquid, a decentralized derivative exchange on chain, transparent but fast and sleek like a centralized exchange. This is where James made his wildest move. He opened a 1.25 billion long on Bitcoin. Yes, billion, using profits on 40x leverage. At the peak, he was 87 million in the green. Then he flipped short, gave back some profit, but still walked away with 25 to 30 million cashed out. And guess what? He's not done. You know what stood out most to me? It wasn't the number, it wasn't the billion-dollar trade, it was James's mindset. He said something that hit hard. I always knew I'd be rich. I had a dream and nothing was going to stop me. That's the part no one talks about. Before the trades, before the meme coin, he was already visualizing success. He was manifesting it. He didn't come from privilege. He came from survival, but he refused to settle for what the system offered. He studied, hustled, got knocked down, came back harder, and every time he saw something everyone else dismissed, a meme coin, a bottoming chart, a trend forming, he trusted his conviction. Manifestation is real. He said, belief is real, conviction is real. He resisted what he called the matrix and built his own reality. To me, that's the real takeaway. Not the trade, but the internal transformation. James isn't just a trader. He's a poker player, a risk junkie. He says it himself. He loves the casino feel. He loves the pressure. But it's not recklessness. He's got cold storage, real estates, and backups. He can lose $20 million and keep living exactly the same. It's not about the money anymore. It's about mastery. Right now, James is back, long on BTC. He's got 175 million position open and a 10x leverage Pepe long. He's still calling it the #1 altcoin of the cycle. And here's his thesis. Global liquidity is rising. Retail isn't here yet. He expects the massive blow-off top between July and August. He's trying to time the super cycle peak and lock in another legendary run. So what do you think? Is James Wynn just a degen gambler with a crazy luck, or is he a genius who cracked the game? One thing's for sure, he came from nothing and built a fortune by trusting his instincts and never playing small. Let me know what you think in the comments. Are you rooting for him, or do you think it's only a matter of time before the house wins? And hey, if you found this story powerful, hit that like button, subscribe. Hi, I'm Lamia, and this was your inside look at the most legendary trader in crypto right now. See you in the next one.